Hi, I'm Medina Barker. I'm the MD and co-owner of CNC Robotics. We're an integration specialist based in Liverpool. We specialise in machining and additive robotic solutions. We work in lots of different sectors. So any customer that you can think of that potentially would have a machining need would use one of our robotic systems. They would come to us with a manufacturing challenge, and then we would go in, we would support them, lead them on that journey, understand a bit more about their technical specification, and then come up with a bespoke, usually, robotic solution for them. As part of the nature of the work that we do lots of site visits, sometimes multiple site visits to one particular customer. And the idea with approaching the VEC was to understand, could we reduce those costs by utilising some of the scanning equipment that the VEC has.
I'm Matt Butcher, Digital Project Manager at the Virtual Engineering Centre. This project was funded through the LCR Holistic programme, and it involved supporting CNC Robotics to help them understand the benefits of digital technologies for scanning and design review. We know that the project gave them a really broad overview of the different technologies that are available and how they could implement that into their business. Now CNC are able to bring together their team and their clients and collaborate in a digital environment. They can tweak and change things in that digital environment. They can bring in their scanning data, and then they're able to see how that environment could be adapted for different use cases in the future.
So the VEC have really helped us achieve an understanding of the capabilities of scanners like the Leica and the Matterport, working with the VEC in terms of understanding how we can reduce the times that we visit that site and understand how we can have more of a 3D virtual understanding of that space to then bring back to our other engineers is really, really helpful. So I think the future is that we will look to adopt this technology. I think it's been a really useful exercise. We've worked really well with the VEC in understanding what the capabilities of the scanners are and how we as a small business could implement that going forward, but then also enable our customers to have full access to that technology as well.